Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Off-Roading. Today's video we're going to be talking about an easy, cheap DIY propane mount or 5-pound propane mount. So right now I have the propane mounted on my roof because that is probably going to be the most safest spot for propane. I don't want to keep it inside my car because I've heard horror stories. But today I'm just going to show you a quick overview of the mount that I built. So right here, we just have some brackets, some old brackets that I've used. I've sandwiched it in between my roof basket here, and then I've put in a steel cable or steel clamp around this. So then I put my 5-pound propane in here, and then just tighten it down with this screw here. So far, very secure, hasn't budged, and I put some rubber hosing on the steel clamp and also on the propane tank itself, just to make it a little bit less bumpy. But again, very easy to put on and very easy to put off, and I just show you what that looks like here. Here it is fully mounted, so as soon as I tighten the screw up, this is not going to move anywhere. It's not going to move. It's going to be on there. I also put this safety strap on top just to make sure if it does get bumpy, it stays in place. It's just a strap that attaches to my roof basket here. But other than that, that is my easy DIY mounting system for my propane tank here. Again, it's just a couple of brackets mounted to my steel basket, and then that is mounted onto the steel clamp. It's a 9-inch steel clamp, and all you gotta do is just tighten up the screw to tighten this clamp up, and it is not going to go anywhere here. Let me just twist this some more. And then again, I also have some rubber hosing that I've cut in half just to make sure everything is not going to scratch up the tank. So on the clamp itself, and then on the propane on itself as well. On that is not going anywhere. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, comments. Let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.